Hello, second graders. It is time for chapter practice. We have come to the end of chapter 7, and we are on page 345. And the idea of chapter practice is literally that, to practice the things that we've already done. So when we take our test on the computer, then we will be able to remember the different things that we've done. All right, so let's get started. Write how many tens. Circle groups of 10 tens. Write how many hundreds, then write the number. All right, so let's see. I want to say how many tens there are. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But let's see. It said that I was going to circle groups of 10 tens. So let's do that right away, and then I don't have to count them and then circle them. So let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that is a group of 10. Let's see what this next is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's another group of 10. Now, just like when we were talking about doubles in the class, we can see that this and this are the same. So I know that this is another set of 10 right here. And this matches this. So this is another set of 10. So and I have 10 in here, and 10 in here, and 10 in here, and 10 in here, but they are all 10s. So I have 10, 20, 30, 40 tens. I have 4 sets of 10 tens. And I know that 10 tens makes 100. So what do I have? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 sets of 100. And if I have 40 tens and I have 4 hundreds, then I know my number will be 400. Let's do the same down here. It says the same instructions for this. Let's count 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I go like this. That is a set of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I do this. That is another set of 10. Now, I'm going to do the same thing I did up there. I'm going to say this matches on the top, so I know that that is another set of 10. And this row matches this, so that is going to be another set of 10. And this row, this group, matches the group above it. That's another set of 10. Okay, so let's see how many sets of 10 we have. I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There's 10 in each one of these groups, so I count by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. There are 50 tens. Do you see when I put them into groups of 10 how much quicker I can add? And I know that 10 tens makes 100. So this is 100. This group is 100. This and this and this. They are all groups of 100. So how many hundreds do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I have 50 tens, 5 hundreds. That means I have 500. All right, number 3, modeling in real life. A cafeteria has 80 bags of pretzels. 80 bags. Each bag has 10 pretzels. The cafeteria needs 900 pretzels. How many more bags does the cafeteria need? Now, boys and girls, this is just like these up here. So the cafeteria has 80 bags of pretzels. This is 40. This is 50. I have 80. So I'm going to say there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, 80 bags, and each one has 10 pretzels, right? So here's 10 bags. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one of these has 10 bags of pretzels, and 10 bags, each bag has 10 pretzels in it. That's a lot of pretzels. So I know that this group is going to equal 100. And this group is going to equal 100. Each of these groups, right? I can do 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Each one of these has 10 sets of 10 in it. I can say that it's 100. I can draw my 10 sets of 10. Let's count how many are here. There's 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800. Now let's see what it says. The cafeteria needs 900. These bags that they have equal 800, and they need 900. How many more bags of pretzels? How many more does the cafeteria need? Well, I need 100 more, right? I have 800. I need one more set of 100, so I need one more set of 10. 10 sets of 10, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And that makes how many bags? That makes I need 10 more bags. 10 more bags to make 100 more pretzels. Sorry, boys and girls, my writing is a little bit small there. So I need 10 more bags to make 100 more pretzels. That would give us 900 pretzels. So I need 10 more bags. All right, let's go to the other side. I have this chapter, or lesson 7.2 was teaching us how to model our numbers. So let's see what it says. It wants us to have hundreds, tens, and ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 hundreds. How many tens? Remember, the tens are just the sticks. I have 2 tens, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So when I put this into the hundreds, tens, ones chart, I have 5 hundreds, 2 tens, 5 ones. 5 hundreds, 2 tens, and 5 ones is 525. Let's do the same thing on the next. And make sure that you are not seeing any that are, or you're not missing any that are hiding. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 of the squares means that I have 8 hundreds. Let's look for lines. Oh, I have 0 lines. I need to add it in there. And how many ones? 1, 2, 3. So let's put it in our hundreds, tens, ones chart. I have 8 hundreds, I have 0 tens, and I have 3 ones. My number is 803. To write it, I need to make sure that I put in a placeholder for my tens. I have 0 tens. All right. What number is Descartes thinking of or thinking about? It has 4 hundreds. So let's just draw these hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4. The digit in the tens place is between 1 and 3. So I can think my number line 1 and 3. The number in between is 2. So it has 2 in the tens place. And the ones digit is 5 more than the hundreds digit. So if I have 4 in the hundreds, 2, 3, 4, and we need to have 5 more than this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count. I have 4 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ones. Excellent. All right, last one. 7.3, understanding place value. Circle the value of the underlined digit. 429. The 2 is in the center spot. It is in the tens place. Is it 200s? Nope, that's the hundred spot, the 4. Is it just 2? 2 ones? Nope, that would be the ones place. Is it 2 tens? That is the tens place. So I'm going to circle that. Then the underlined number is the 7. Well, let's take a look. Is it 70? 70 is 7 tens. But the third place is not the tens place. That's the hundreds place. Is it 700? Well, if I'm looking at this number and I say, oh, it is. It's 7 hundreds. It's in the left-hand column, hundreds, tens, ones. So 7 hundreds. Let's look at this just to make sure. Is it 7 tens? Nope, the tens place has a 5 in it. So it is 700. All right, boys and girls, I want you to practice this. Go back and look at the pages that are on 7.1, 7.2, and 7.3, and do any of the problems that you have not completed yet. Have fun.